What up, y'all, man? I know I ain't seen y'all in a long time, but I've been working on my demo and my promo and stuff. Just now getting all the stuff together, and I'm about to start working hard. But I got something new for y'all today, something y'all ain't heard. And I've been, working on it a while. And go to that Mercy beat, and, as always, it's gonna be hard, but listen. I said, mind on animal, eating like a cannibal, teeth like a dinosaur, you can see my enamel grow, whole body hurting cause I'm spreading where the cancer goes, hot under any circumstance cause I'm flammable, a smart mind, speak my rhymes like a poet, got the wisdom of a monk with the dangers of an ocean, I'll only hear myself through the chaos and commotion, if I'm knocking out his fam it's only cause I KO Ken, I got a heart, cause it's something I can use, y'all feed it from the internet and eating through a tube. My constant concentration is keeping me so confused. When my footsteps is sold to the bottom of my shoe. I say I'm real, cause a lot of things. One, cause I wouldn't want no one to lie to me. Two, cause I gotta be. And three, doesn't matter cause it's blocked by a lot of dreams. And that doesn't bother me. I love having money in my pocket when I get it. I'm flyer than a bird. I'm a copter, you a pigeon. They buzzing off my freestyle, now they biting on my written. They'll only keep rap dead by stopping me from existing. I live real life and I work hard nights. I'm a diamond in the rough, gleaming in the starlight. I don't start confrontations, I end all y'all fights. I just drain out the waste like industrial star pipes. But simple. Eventually I will get these songs on beat when I get a laptop to be able to work on that. But I'll keep y'all updated. Like, subscribe, and share it to your friends.